Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie and I am an adult services librarian with the Monrovia Public Library. I'm here today with our first video in a 5-part series where we'll be discussing the brand new online learning tools and platforms that have been provided to us by the California State Library to share with all of you. We have 5 new platforms to discuss that cover a variety of topics ranging from job and career skills, academic resources, and general online learning. Now, the first platform that I have to share with you is called GetSetUp. And GetSetUp is a live, interactive online learning platform that is exclusively designed for older adults in the age category 55 and above. Now, GetSetUp originally started with the goal of helping older adults learn the technology skills that they need to live happier, healthier, and more connected lives. So if that sounds like it's something that's interesting to you or could be interesting to the older adult in your life, stay tuned and I'll guide you through how to access GetSetUp. To get started, you have a couple of different options. If you have low to no technology skills and could use some assistance in accessing GetSetUp and creating your account, I highly recommend that you give the telephone number that I've linked in the description a call, where GetSetUp staff can then help you all the way from turning on your computer to accessing GetSetUp to then creating your account and signing up for your first course. Also, if you have medium to low technology skills, or if you could just use some extra assistance in creating your account, I've linked an email in the description as well, where GetSetUp staff can email you back and forth to help you get started. If you have someone that can help you sign in next to you, or if you have the technology skills to do this on your own, go ahead and follow along with me so I can show you how to get started. First, you'll want to open up your favorite internet browser and go to your search engine, and you'll want to search for the Monrovia Public Library. Next, you'll want to click on that first link where it says Library, City of Monrovia, and it's going to take you to our home page. Next, you can scroll down and you'll look at that key links section. Under that section, you'll see a link that says Online Resources and eBooks, and go ahead and click on that now. It's going to take you to a page that actually has a link to all of the new online learning platforms that we're covering in this series. So you're getting a little bit of a sneak peek right now. For today, though, let's click on GetSetUp. Once you click on that, it's going to redirect you to the GetSetUp page. And here we are. It's that simple. Once you get to this page, you'll want to start by creating your account. Creating your account is going to give you access to booking classes. And to do that, you can click on the top right-hand corner where it says Sign Up and Log In. Now we'll click on over to the Sign Up tab. And you have a couple of different options for how you'd like to sign up. If you have a Facebook account, you can click on that link to connect your account with Facebook. You can use an email address if you have one, or you can use your telephone number to sign up. Once you do that, you're ready to get started to browse classes. So back here on the home page is where you can start browsing classes. On this home page, there are some featured classes here that they recommend to all of their users, which include a new member lounge, using Zoom, phone basics, and then there are also classes listed here that are live happening right now. These are things that you can jump into and enjoy right away. You can also click on the classes button on the left-hand side here, so that way you can browse by date, and you can click on some of the filters here to browse by topic as well. So if you click on the Apple filter, it's going to show you all of the classes that are available on the date that you've chosen about Apple products and learning. On the left-hand side here as well, in addition to the classes, there's a section on stories where you can browse and read other stories by real people that are a part of the GetSetUp community. Great way to stay connected with folks in the 55 plus community. And I just have a few more fun facts for you about GetSetUp. They have over 1,500 classes in a large variety of topics, and size classes are carefully limited so that way you can get the individualized attention that you may need, especially in the technology courses. You might have noticed from some of the photos on the website that all of the classes are taught by older adults. It's really a community specifically for adults 55 plus. You won't find anyone younger here on this site. Also, classes are mindfully designed to be 1 hour or less, so that way folks don't experience any kind of fatigue being online for too long. And lastly, there are over 1 billion active users globally on GetSetUp. So it's a great opportunity for older adults to find other adults, to build community, feel connected, and to just truly live a happier and healthier life, especially online. And that's it. If you have any questions about GetSetUp, please feel free to contact the library by phone, come in person, send us an email, and we'd be happy to help. Also, during business hours, staff will be available at any time to come and help you sign up on the computer and access GetSetUp. No library card required. Staff will be able to help you regardless. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next Friday at 12 p.m. where we'll release another video on a learning platform that we have called LinkedIn Learning. And don't forget to check out our channel and ring the bell for notifications so that way you'll never miss a video that we release. We'll see you next time.